Controller drift can be frustrating, especially in a game like FIFA 24. This guide will help you troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Step 1. Check for physical obstructions. Inspect your controller for any dirt or debris around the analog sticks. Clean the area gently with a soft cloth or compressed air to remove any obstructions. Step 2. Calibrate the controller. Connect your controller to your console or PC and navigate to the settings menu. Look for the calibration option and follow the prompts to recalibrate the analog sticks. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Ensure your controller's firmware is up to date. Check the manufacturer's website or your console settings to download and install any available updates. Step 4. Adjust in-game settings. Access the settings menu in FIFA 24 and look for controller settings. Adjust the dead zone settings for the analog sticks to minimize the impact of drift. Step 5. Test with another game. To determine if the issue is specific to FIFA 24, try using your controller with another game. If the drift persists across multiple games, the problem may be with the controller itself. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift and enhance your gaming experience. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.